Good afternoon. Today we will talk about Tefal Optigrill grill. In this video, we will talk about the control panel, as well as how to properly use the grill. There is an automatic mode and there is a manual mode. Now let's look at all the buttons from left to right. The first button on the left is the on-off button. The next button is an asterisk. This is the frozen food mode. Next is the automatic control panel. When you select any item, the program starts. It is not necessary to set the temperature additionally. Programs from left to right in automatic mode: burger, steak, sandwich, sausages, fish, chicken legs, seafood, fresh meat, bacon. Next comes the control panel in manual mode. Button with the letter M and a thermometer. With the help of these buttons, we set the degree of frying of our dish. The indicator lights up. On it, there is a colored prompt. It starts with the fact that the start, it is purple color, then green, the beginning of cooking, yellow, the first degree of frying. It's called rare. There are only 3 degrees of browning. 2 orange color, it is called medium, the 3rd degree. The most roasted is the red color, called well done. And the last button OK means start or start. So, in order to cook in automatic mode, wash, dry, and install the plates, then insert the tray into which water and excess fat drip. Then we plug the grill in. Then we apply the control panel. We do not put our dish on the grill. We heat it up without food first. We press the switch on button, then choose what we are going to cook and press OK. The indicator lights up and the heating process starts. Then we wait for the signal. After the signal, we open the lid, put our food, close it, and the cooking process continues. There is no need to turn anything or press harder. Calmly wait for the signal. It will mean that the dish is ready. Variant with manual control. The first points are the same as for the automatic one. We insert plates and a container for water and fat, velucciayu, in the socket. Then press the button to turn on. Then use the M button and a thermometer to set the desired temperature and press OK. The individual mode does not switch itself off. Therefore, we have to keep an eye on the food. From time to time, open the grill and see if the dish is cooked or not. I hope the video was interesting and useful. Subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.